Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you advanced bass fills, bass licks and riff. So if you're interested, I want you to watch the video to the end, master it and start using them in any worship song out there. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, so grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be playing two grooves in this lesson, okay? It is just the same song but different fills, so that if in case you don't remember the first one, you can remember the second one and apply them on that song, okay? So now let's look at the first groove, okay? After then, I will teach you everything I played in the song. From 1 to 7, what did I play? So from 1 to 7, I played my 1. So 3, 4, I'm going to the 7, okay? So you can learn that in case you find this progression in any song. 1 to 7, 1, 3, 4, then 2, 1, 7. So you combine all the notes together. Now you have gotten the 1 to 7 fills, just simple like that. So now to your 6 and 5. So now to your 6. So okay, so remember that when you're going to your 6, if possible you can bring the 3 to add to 8 so that to take you to your 6 in a very cool way, okay? So 7, 3, 6. Okay, so what I did on the 3 and 6 was, after done playing my 7, then 2, 2 sharp 3. Now I'll be going to the 6 straightforward. So 2, 2 sharp 3. Then you have 4 sharp. You have your 5 sharp. You have your 7. Now I am now on the 6. Okay, so from 1 to 7 to your 6. Now to the 5 and 4. So this is on my 5. So you have 6, 1, 2, 2, 6, 2, 5, 6, 5. Now to my 4. So when you're done playing your 5, then you come to your 1, taking you to your 4. So 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4. You understand? Okay, from 1 to 7 to your 6 to your 5, your 4. So now to your 3. So 4, 2, 2 sharp 3. Okay. So then 5, 6. Then now you'll be going to your 2. So when you're done playing 2, 2 sharp 3, 5, 6, 7, 1 sharp, then your 3, 2. Okay. Now to your 5. Okay. 2 your octave, then you come to your 2 root. Then 6, 2, 4 sharp 5. I hope you have gotten that. So to your 5, then you become to your 1. Then you descend from there. So 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. Bringing you to the octave 1. So you just need to take it slow, practice it with your metronome at a very low speed. So Okay, so let's continue. So that is from 176. That is a very nice lick I played. So to my 7 and to my 6. Okay. That was what I played. Okay, so you are descending from 1 to 7. Okay, so 1 3 4 3, 1 3 4 3, then 2 1, then you play your 2 again, then 1. Okay, so 2 1 2, then you play your 7. Okay, so 7, then you play your 5, then your 5 sharp. Okay, then your second string you played freely to give you a 6, then your 6 sharp, then your 7, then you play your 5 3, taking you to your 6. Okay, so practice it. Again. Okay, so you can put that on 176. Okay, so now to your 5. So 6 root 3 5 6 2 root 2 octave 2, then your 5. Now to your 4, just like the first one. So now to your 3. You can learn this very nice fill. So that is, you slide for 2 3 2 1 2 3. Now to your 2. So back to your 2. So 2 3 5 6 2. Okay. 2 2 2 2 2 3 4 5 6 5. Okay. That's a very nice lick. Okay, so that is from 1 to 6. So no ma na 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 na. Okay. Your first target 4 4 3 2 1 3 5 1 6 7 6 5 3 2 2 1 7 6. Okay, so the same as you go into your 5. Now to your 4. Very nice fills. Okay, so 5 1 2 1 6 5 4. Now to your 3. So 4 2 3 5 1 6. Okay, now to your 2. Just like the same. So 2 2 2 2 2 3 4 4 sharp 5. Okay, so master the first groove very well and try to capture some of the progression and master them very well, especially when you're descending from 1 to 6 with a leg. Okay, from your 2 to 5. So if you want to play a 5, you see, so starting from 1 2 2 6 2 5, taking you to your 5. Okay, so the song will be available for you to download. Just download it and practice with it. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.